Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram is going to add a new sticker that is link. Okay, so here you can see. So with the help of this new update, like there was a lots of limitation for a people who don't have a 10k followers. This means like if you have a 10k followers, then only you can get a swipe up option, that is you can add a link of your YouTube, Facebook, website, business or anything. But now just by understanding our requirement, what Instagram is doing, they are adding a new sticker. Here you can see in this type of sticker, so you can add your any link here, that can be a Facebook, YouTube, business or anything, you can add it here. So now after getting this sticker, that swipe up option will be removed from Instagram. So this option is going to be removed from Instagram. So now what is the difference between the previous and now the sticker we are getting? So in the previous, we need to swipe up to visit to that website or a link that we have added, but here you need to tap on that link so that you can redirect to that website. So this was a small update, but this will be really very useful for a people who don't have a 10k followers, who have a 110 or whatever number of followers. They can add a clickable link in their Instagram stories. So I hope this video was useful for you. And one more thing, this feature will be available for everyone from 30 August. So this feature is still on a testing. So by 30 August, this will be launched for a few users, and after that this will be available for everyone. So I will come up with a new videos how to use this. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.